What's up, guys? Mike with NRGcreativ out on the water, and kicking off May 1st, I've got a sale that's out there. So you are going to need to check the description for the links. The Seadoo group, that is mine at Seadoo Riders. You guys are going to have to join that group in order to get the discount code. 25% off sale, guys. It's going through May 10th. Now let me talk to you about some mounts here real quick. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. So we all know the 3D printed mounts. Here's how the 3D business goes, guys. It's real simple. There's a lot of people that come up with a lot of things. When you're getting into a 3D printing type of business, the key element is to say, this needs a solution. And you come up with one, you print it, you test it, and there you go. Now, there are some out there, quite a few out there, that don't have the imagination to think of something on their own, so they will copy somebody else's, and that's fine. It's happened again. My dual mount has been copied, but it's okay. Bad thing is when they block you, they don't want the competition. The only time that ever happens is when they know they copied something. They don't want anybody else to see the original. That's okay. Anyway, I'm gonna give you a hint, not just for my mounts, but for anybody else that's out there that you want to check out their mounts. Ask them one simple question. Where is a video showing this thing going through the motions? Like this for the 360 mount. Of course, if it's the flags that you're interested in, ask them for a video like this showing these mounts. Guys, it's just a helpful hint that if they can't show you video of their products tested, I'm not telling you not to buy it, but you might want to think twice and look into somebody who has actually tested their mounts. You don't want to see video of a flag or on a lake or a river on smooth, calm water. There's nothing wrong with that. Or you're not seeing what that mount is capable of doing and handling. When you're out on the Gulf and it's windy and choppy and you're playing around, not just going in a nice, easy, straight line, but you're putting these things through the paces, you know it's going to work on those rivers and lakes. So ask for that proof, guys. That's my tip. Now, as far as the sale going on, like I was telling you guys at the beginning of the video, my Seadoo group, you'll need to click on the link in the description, join that group, and the code will be posted in there. May 1st through May 10th. So guys, come on over. All of my discounts are posted there only. Guys, check out the link. Hurry up before May 10th is over. Get your mounts at a discount. Oh yeah, PS, or whatever you say on a video. I know it's on a letter. There's a reason why my dual mounts the 360 and flag, that you can only do one at a time, either the 360 or the flag, either or. I'm not gonna let that cat out of the bag, but there's a reason why. The other guys that are doing it the other way will find out soon, but this is how it's done. Keep in mind also, check this out. This mount can also work with the small link cooler or even the 5-gallon gas can. It works perfect. So you don't have to worry about not being able to take something. I'm not gonna be out that long today, so I didn't need the cooler. But remember, guys, If it doesn't say NRGcreativ, it's not an original. Most of you, including myself, don't ride like that with cameras and flags attached. The purpose of the video is just to let you know that the mount is strong. So when you are taking those nice easy trips or those rides, straight line, riding with a pack and so on, you're not going to be riding like that. You're going to be displaying your flag just for fun, or you're going to be taking some video, carrying a tube. You're not gonna be crazy, you know, doing all that stuff. But this video here, this is what I'm telling you guys to ask for. Ask for a video that shows what the mount is capable of.